Ever wondered why game development can seem like a daunting task? Well, it's not just about creating characters and designing levels. One of the biggest challenges in game development is choosing the right game framework. Game frameworks are essential tools that simplify the game development process. They provide a structure for the game, including the game loop, and have built-in functions for tasks like rendering graphics and handling user input. Today, we'll explore some of the top game frameworks for C and C# programming languages. Let's dive into the world of C game development first. One of the most popular frameworks here is Allegro. It's a cross-platform library mainly aimed at video game and multimedia programming. It handles common low-level tasks such as creating windows, accepting user input, loading data, drawing images, playing sounds, etc. But Allegro is more low-level compared to other game frameworks, meaning it might require more lines of code to do the same tasks. On the other hand, Raylib is another great choice for C game development. It's a simple and easy-to-use library to enjoy video games programming. Raylib is highly inspired by Borland BGI Graphics Lib and by XNA Framework, and it's specially well-suited for game prototyping, tooling, and education purposes. The main difference with Allegro is that Raylib is easier to use and more modern, but it's not as mature or as widely used. Now, let's move on to C#. Here we have Unity, one of the most popular game development frameworks in the world. Unity is known for its user-friendly interface and its ability to create games for virtually any platform. It also has a massive community, meaning there's a lot of tutorials and resources available. On the other hand, we have Monogame, an open-source implementation of the Microsoft XNA 4 framework. It allows developers to create games that run on multiple platforms with the same codebase. Monogame is a bit more hands-on than Unity, giving developers more control over their game, but it doesn't have the same level of support or resources as Unity. To summarize, Allegro and Raylib are excellent choices for game development in C. Allegro is more mature and widely used, but Raylib is easier to use and more modern. In the C# realm, Unity is a user-friendly, widely supported option for almost any kind of game, whereas Monogame offers more control and flexibility but lacks the extensive support network of Unity. Choosing the right game framework largely depends on your project needs and your comfort level with the language and framework. The right tools can make the game development process smoother and more enjoyable, so take your time to explore these options and choose the one that fits your needs best. Remember, the journey of game development can be challenging, but with the right tools and a bit of patience, you can create something truly amazing. Happy coding!